Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you this beautiful matte makeup tutorial. So let's get started. First I'm gonna use mist and vitamin C serum for hydration, and then sealing it with moisturizer. And then I'm gonna do my brows. I don't fill my brows because it's very bushy. Here I'm using two primer. First is Color Bar Oil Free Primer on my nose, forehead and chin, and second one is Mars Primer which I'm gonna use on my cheeks. To hide my dark circles or any dark pigmentation, I'm using color corrector and applying it with flat brush, and then dabbing it with small beauty blender. Next I'm using Forever 52 foundation. I'm using two shades to match my skin tone. Then applying it all over my face and dabbing with big beauty blender. I'm using my skin tone foundation on top of color corrector. Now I'm gonna lightly contour my face. I'm taking contour shade and applying it on my jawline, cheekbone, nose and little on forehead. And I'm gonna blend it with small beauty blender. Now I'm gonna highlight my nose, under the cheekbone, chin, cupid bow and forehead, and blend it with beauty blender. I'm also gonna apply it on my under eyes just to brighten it. I'm gonna set cream contour with powder contour. On the remaining areas, I'm gonna set it with translucent powder. And I'm gonna apply some blush and highlighter. I'm prepping my eyelid for eye makeup. For eye makeup, I'm doing half cut crease. Because of power cut, I couldn't make full video. And also my phone's battery was down, so I could only make few videos. After applying mascara and lipstick, I also put on some lashes. So this is how it looks under the sun. Very pretty, right? I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment down below what you wanna see next. Bye!